Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this brilliant 5008. Packed full of features including this panoramic glass roof, you get front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera and 18-inch alloy wheels. Inside there's two 7-inch screens built into these front headrests. Now this gives you access to two portable multimedia devices. At the front you've got sat-nav, Bluetooth connectivity, there's dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. This car comes with 1 year's warranty and is £30 to tax. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.